Welcome to Java Blackboard. In this tutorial, we're building an interactive spin wheel using Java. Let's dive into creating this amazing UI component together. You can find the complete source code in the description below. Click the spinwheel.java icon to view the code directly, or download the entire project as a zip file using the download button next to it. Here's the complete project in Eclipse. Let me run it by clicking this green play button so you can see the spin wheel in action. When we maximize the frame, the spin wheel scales proportionally. Watch what happens when I click the spin button. Beautiful smooth rotation. Now when I restore the window size, the spin wheel scales down perfectly while maintaining its proportions. That's responsive design in action. Let's switch back to Eclipse and take a quick look at the code. You'll notice how surprisingly compact it is. I'll run it again with the green button to show the frame working perfectly. Since I'm providing the complete working code, there's no need for lengthy explanations. You can either view the Java code directly via the link in description, or download the full project as a zip file. See you in the next tutorial.